All right, so this is everything that comes in the box. This, of course, is the actual telescope. It's the Celestron NexStar 8SE. All right, this is one thing that comes in there. You get one tool, but you're going to need a Phillips head. You have what is called a star pointer finder scope that attaches, I believe, right here. And this is how you kind of like figure out where the star is, and then you focus in on it. But we're going to show you that in another video. This is the main base here, all right? And it has the hand control here, all right? It kind of sets in there like that. And then over here is the tripod, and it is beefy, and these extend. You have to unscrew those. In here, it doesn't come with batteries. So you have to put 8 AA batteries in here underneath there. And I'll show you guys that. And this is where you slide that part of the telescope into, and we attach this, of course, to the top of that. And that's basically everything that comes with it. This is the booklet itself here, all right? And you're gonna need this, let me tell you, man. It's a little more complex than I thought. And there's a quick start guide, but it really doesn't, I mean, you may need a little more instruction. So I'm going to try to do that for you guys. So let's go ahead and let's try to get this thing going. And I'm going to show you guys how to put it all together and how to use it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos on this telescope coming to you very soon.